vengeance.
Welcome back to some more. Some fun.
Wow, I just hand all over the... This might be a while. Yeah, geese poop in that grass, y'all.
Yeah, that's some nasty shit, man. You don't want that in your stomach.
Ooh.
Are you really that lazy? You gonna fly your ass up the next step? Look at that. Look at them fly their ass up the next step. Like they can't even just bend their ass over and take a step. No, they gotta use them wings and fly their ass up. If you can do that, just fly the fuck up on the plane.
Pretty ingenious, though. You gotta give them that. I mean, not like they have appendages that they can just use for balance.
Y'all do what you gotta do, okay? That's what I know.
Do you even like seagulls?
Yeah, they're cool.
Okay. We're not gonna do nothing. You're cool. Promise. Adidas honors. I was never a scout. They don't trust us. What is this bullshit?
They got them funky ass legs, man.
It heard you. I think you offended him. Or her.
Dude, fly your ass up here. Let's talk.
Nip her in the eyes, man.
What you doing? Why you stopping, yo? Come on, man.
Cause you talking smack. We're unprepared again. Damn it, they come down here. Unprepared for the seagulls. We never have bread now.
Oh, I know.
Every time, man. Every time. They like this stuff for some reason.
It's probably us.
We are so attractive.
It's the matching hats.
It is. It is the matching
Magic,
hats.
you know. Bring them together.
Oh, it's magic. You know. Cannot believe it's not so. Dude, yeah.
The one-man show.
Hmm.